morning children. Today we are going to do extra exercise of chapter 9 adverbs. What we are going to do? Extra exercise of adverb. Fill in the blanks using the brackets. We had learned in the last session there are 4 types of adverbs. Adverb of manner, 1 number, 2 number adverb of place, 3 number adverb of time, 4 number adverb of frequency. So now we are going to do extra exercise of adverbs. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks using the bracket. Fill in the blanks using the bracket. So shall we start children? Okay. Now we'll see over here. The patient, number 1, the patient is dash waiting for the doctor. Still never. Now over here what is said? Waiting for the doctor. So what will you write adverb over here? It is a time. The patient is waiting for the doctor. So it is an adverb of time. So what will you say? The patient is still waiting. So still, and we will write over here STIL, still. The patient is still waiting for the doctor. 2 number. I saw him dash. So what will you write? I saw him dash tomorrow or yesterday. Now this sentence is what? Saw. I saw him. Over here verb saw is been used. So it's talking about yesterday, past tense. So what will you write? Yesterday. So you will write yesterday. I saw him yesterday. Over here the patient is still waiting to see the doctor. The patient is still waiting for the doctor. Second one, I saw him yesterday. I saw him yesterday. Yesterday, why? Because it is the past form. 3 number, I haven't seen her dash. I haven't seen her. What will you say? Over here it is talking about present form. So today, I haven't seen her today. I haven't seen her today. 4 number, I am seeing him morning. I am seeing him dash morning. So what will you write? Yesterday or tomorrow? I am seeing him dash morning. So what will you say? It is talking about future. So I am seeing him tomorrow morning. I am seeing him tomorrow morning. 5 number. Suhani completed her graduation dash. Over here it is completed. What it is? Completed. So what will you write? Suhani completed her graduation dash. So last year or next year, what will you say? It is a past form, completed. So what will you say over here? It is last year or next year? It is last year. Suhani completed her graduation last year. So we will write over here last year. Why? Because it is a past sentence and it says about completion. So it's completed. So once again we will read the sentences. The patient is still waiting to see the doctor, waiting for the doctor. I saw him yesterday. I haven't seen her today. I am seeing him tomorrow morning. Suhani completed her graduation last year. Now we'll go to the 6th number. I went to the doctor dash. I went to the doctor. Now it is went over here. What is been used? Went. So here this sentence is talking about past tense. You have already gone to see the doctor. So what it will be? I went to the doctor yesterday. I went to the doctor yesterday. 7 number, I am going to the market dash. So this is talking about present just now. Just now it is talking about. Now the action is talking about. So what will you write? I am going to the market now. I am going to the market now. Then 7 number. I am going to the market now. 8 number. Rahul will go to his hometown yesterday or tomorrow. Rahul will go. Will go, it is saying. Will go means what? Future ka. So what will you write? Tomorrow. Rahul will go to his hometown tomorrow. It is talking about will go. So it is about future. 9 number. The bus arrived dash than usual, so we had to wait. So we had to wait. Late or later? The bus arrived later. The bus arrived later than usual. So we had to wait. So we had to wait. It is about past tense. 10 number. Jenny isn't here. Dash. Can I take a message? Now then. Jenny isn't here. Can I take a message? So what will you write? Now or then? It is about present only. So what will you write? Jenny isn't here now. Jenny isn't here now. Can I take a message then? Can I take a message? Can I take a message? So we'll repeat all the sentences together. 6 number. I went to the doctor yesterday. I went to the doctor yesterday. I am going to the market now. Rahul will go to his hometown tomorrow. Will go. I am going. Went. The bus arrived later than usual. So we had to wait. So we had to wait. Jenny isn't here. Now, can I take a message? Jenny isn't here now. Can I take a message? So children, did you follow adverbs? Adverb of manner, adverb of place, adverb of time, adverb of manner, place, time and frequency. How we have to use it. So this was the example extra exercise of adverb. This is the extra exercise of adverb. How to use adverb. How to use adverb. This is the adverb of manner. What it is? Adverb of manner. This exercise is related to adverb of manner. What it is? Adverb of manner. So dear children, I hope you have understood the exercise adverb of. This is the exercise of adverb of manner. So complete this exercise in your notebook with neat and good handwriting. Neat and good handwriting. Complete it in your notebook with neat and good handwriting.